This is 2007 Saab 9.3 anniversary edition, kind of rare color. I just got this car and I decided I'm gonna change these lights to redesign clear ones and see how it's gonna look. That's my 9.5. So this is the look how it is now. I'm gonna capture that and see what's gonna change. There are 4 screws that I did to untie there, and that should just make this light just come out. Похоже, 3. Да, 3 это звук. So finally it's undone, unscrewed, and here's what we see. We need to undo the wires, and it should be easy from here. There is a problem here. I cannot disconnect this little thing, and I don't know where is the button to push. I finally figured out how to pull this thing off. It just needed like pliers, tweezers kind of thing. I pulled real hard and it came off. So it looks good. It needs a little polish. There's a lot of scratches here, but let me see how it looks together. I need to change this part too. I have that also. I cannot say that I don't like this. I like this too, but I thought that this would look more modern. So we'll see. Okay, for the second part, these little things pop up. You press the center and it just pop up. And I didn't want to remove the whole thing, at least for this one. It's pretty easy to access, these little things. You just unscrew this and then just disconnect here, I think. We'll see. Alright, I figured it out how to take it off. You have to press here, this little thing over here. You have to press it down to pull it out. So I pulled it out, I put the new light, and just gonna connect it. This thing is just easy, just screw it with your finger like that. You don't even need to tighten it. Really, it holds in pretty good. And this is how it looks. The trunk is open, so it looks a little uneven. But this is a new one, and this is the old one. Tell me, guys, what do you like? What do you like better? Because I don't know, I'm not sure. I like them both, but I have to say this looks more modern. It looks beautiful. I think it looks gorgeous, actually. Yeah, I like it better than the old one, for sure. И вот он, долгожданный результат. This is the result of replacing tail lights on the Saab. Now it looks like 2008, 9, 10, 11 model. More modern. Very nice and fresh. I love this car. It's a very beautiful car. I can't wait to do the front lip bumper for the Aero. I ordered it. Should come soon. Stay tuned for more videos like this.